Okay, so what I want to show you today is how to be able to create consistent sectioning for your full head of braids. And something unique that's going to come out of this one is a way of designing patterns with full head of braids. So that will be at the end of this video, but to start with is what I call the 3-block sectioning. And the 3-block sectioning is from the ear you create a straight line across, and in the middle you create a straight line across from the ear. See that? Straight from that ear to the crown and to the other side of the ear. So straight across and straight across. So 1 block, 2 block, 3 block. That's what I mean by the 3-block sectioning. So there's a middle block, there's a starter block, and a finish block, which is the hairline block. So once you create this, you'll find that your braids is consistently looking the same. And what I'm going to be working with is the square sectioning. So as I get along, I'm going to be showing you that. Okay, so what we've done, we've just finished the back block. And we're moving on to the middle block. So you can see how it's gone, and all I've done is squares and squares and squares. This is just 4 lines now. And then the middle block is going to come, and what I will do is I will take a section from here and take it all the way to here. So from there to there, and it carries on like that until I get to this part, which I'll show you once I've done. So that's how we're graduating. And if you're curious about this color, what I've done a mixture of 2 colors. I have 99J and color 4, and look at the amazing look we're getting out of it. And it's from the Bundles of Joy range. Okay, so what we've done, we've finished. Remember the first block, all done. Now we're on to the second block, which we finished as well. And like I explained, this is our section. So you take it straight from there and slowly to the other side. And that carries on, and the next one again similar. So you carry on doing that until you get to the finishing of that side. We're still on the second block. And once you've done that, what you've got is like an arch. And then how do you finish this off? You just do a straight line. Straight line. And another straight line, and you finish it. And that's how you get this consistently. But of course, we have all this very detailed in our DVDs. Carrying on, this is what we've done. So once you've done, remember the 3 block we're working with. So we finish with our second block. Now the final block, which is the hairline block, you create a straight line across, and then you start giving it straight lines. Straight lines and straight lines and straight lines, and that's it. So it's all blended in now. We have, what we've done here is the same that we're going to repeat here. And so this block is waiting in front, that if you wanted just a regular full head of braids, you do exactly what we've done there here. But remember what we said in the beginning? We said we're going to create some unique design to make this head of braids look different. So this one, I'm just keeping it aside because I'm going to create a unique Ghana cornrow design on this side to give her a really little side lift on this full head of braids. So this is going to come later, but what we're working on right now is this part, which is the crown. So this crown, there's so many things you could do with it. You could create individual smaller lines, just like we did the lines to continue with your squares. Smaller lines just straight on down all the way to the end. Or you could finish it off with a little arches. And I'm going to work with the arches because I actually like using the arches to finish my crown. So my closure is going to be arches and it's going to fall that way. So my design is going to end up standing over it or sitting over it. So once that's done, I'll be showing you what I've done. But that's how this side looks. And of course we're going to finish the strands. Okay, so this is our finished work. And remember I mentioned about the crown where I prefer to go with the arches. So these are all little arches. You can see how they are. What I love about the arches is they tend to fill the hair up really quickly. You can see how it's closing in and closing in. So arches all over the crown and completely closed in. Again, I got people say to me they don't like closed in hair, they want it to be a bit gappy. Those are choices. You want to stay with gaps, then you can go with the squares. So what I've done on this side, remember we talked about creating a hint of cornrows on this side. Okay, so that's the other side of the hairline that we created a section right there. So what I've done here is little cornrows, but not really full cornrows. They are Ghana cornrows, and I did just some across on the face, and the rest were now curved in on this side. So when I finish dipping this in water, I'll show you the completely finished look. But that's what we've done to give you a different look. So you remember I had two colors mixed. So this is color 4 and this is color 99J. So what I did, I opened them and I just mixed them together. It's the mixture together that created this look. So you really can't tell what color it is on its own. I absolutely love this because it's just a blend of two colors that are nearly close, and then they've just given us something completely different. So again, be creative with colors. I love. Okay, so this is our finished look. You can see it's still a bit wet and drippy. You can see how full that is. Again, that's how I like my braids. That doesn't mean people don't like it. Got me. And that's in front. Can you see that side? Beautiful side look. And that's our gorgeous model. Oh, she's so happy. You happy with your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, she loves it. So this is just a side view braid. And that's the other side with the cornrow. And this is something that has become the latest thing we're all doing now, trying to give the braids a bit of a jazz up instead of just the regular same look all the time. So design a bit of cornrow here and there, and then bring the braids to another side. So there you have it, world of braiding, professional natural hair fashion. And all I say to everyone is that power is in your hands. It's your hands that can create things like this and more amazing looks. And it's what you think of it that becomes what it is. So you have the power in your hand to create so much. And the most amazing part of it is financial power. So why sit there, do nothing, and keep waiting for a job when you can create your own job? Anyway, so we'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. And remember to keep following us on social media. Remember to like our pages and share our pages and share our videos, and again give us your comments and tell us what you want us to keep showing you, more creative work, various things that we've been doing recently. But we're so glad that you're there watching, and we're more than happy to bring to you all these amazing videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you, and remember to love your life.